Hey, can I be real with you for a second? There's a kind of silence that doesn't come from weakness. It comes from finally understanding your worth. It's not the silence of giving up, it's the silence of rising. It's when you stop explaining, stop reacting, and stop trying to prove your love to someone who couldn't even see it when it was right in front of them. And the moment you stop speaking, the moment you stop chasing, something strange happens. She starts feeling everything she thought she could ignore. This silence, your silence, becomes the loudest thing in the room, because when a man detaches not out of bitterness, but out of self-respect, he becomes unforgettable. So if you're tired of being the one who always reaches out, who always tries harder, stay with me. Because what I'm about to tell you might just shift everything. Point 1. She can't handle the silence she once created. Let me tell you something nobody says out loud. She started the silence, but she never expected you to finish it. When she pulled away, ignored your messages, or acted cold, she assumed you'd react, that you'd chase, that you'd fight to fix what she broke. But the moment you stop playing into that, the moment you match her silence with your own, that's when the panic sets in. See, women who initiate distance expect you to come running. When you don't, when you go completely still, she starts hearing the echo of her own actions. And trust me, that silence, it's deafening. Now she's wondering, why hasn't he reached out? Did he move on? Did I lose him for good? That's not revenge. That's balance. You're not punishing her. You're finally prioritizing you. Point 2. Emotional stillness is more powerful than reaction. You know what really throws her off? When she expects an emotional explosion and you give her nothing. Most guys lash out when they feel disrespected. They get angry, emotional, impulsive, and that's exactly what she's ready for, because it proves she still has control. But when you remain still, when you don't text, don't argue, don't post anything, you take all that control away. Now you control the story. Your stillness forces her to sit in the mess she created without the distraction of your emotions. And that stillness, that's power, because it says, I feel everything, but you're not worth my reaction. That's when she starts doubting herself. Not because you said anything, but because you said nothing. Point 3. Disappearing creates space for her regret to grow. Every time you go silent, you're planting a seed in her mind. At first, she might not feel it, but as time passes and she doesn't hear from you, that seed starts growing into something she can't ignore. Regret. Because when you remove your presence completely, not to play games, but because you're finally done begging to be seen, she starts remembering not just what you said, but how you made her feel. Your calm, your consistency, your loyalty. And now she's comparing that to everything she has around her, and nothing measures up. Your silence gives her one thing she can't run from: time. Time to realize what she lost. Time to reflect on how she took your energy for granted. And the more she sits with that, the heavier that regret hits. Point 4. Peace is confusing to people who thrive in chaos. Let's be honest, some people don't know how to function in peace. They're used to drama, to control, to emotional highs and lows. So when you detach calmly, when you stop responding with emotion, they don't know what to do with that. To her, your silence isn't just confusing, it's threatening. Because now she can't predict you, she can't trigger you, she can't use guilt, tears, or silence to pull you back in. You've broken the emotional cycle. That's when she starts reaching. Not out of love, but out of fear. Fear that you finally found peace without her. And trust me, nothing haunts someone more than watching you find the peace they never gave you. Point 5. A man who can walk alone becomes irresistible. You want to know what really shifts the dynamic? When she realizes you don't need her anymore. You're not waiting. You're not checking in. You're not watching her every move. You're walking alone. And not lonely, just focused. Because when a man can rebuild quietly, love himself fully, and carry his pain without performing for anyone, he becomes magnetic. Not because he's trying to be, but because he stopped chasing validation and started choosing peace. She sees it in your eyes, in your silence, in your absence. You didn't walk away to prove a point. You walked away because you had nothing left to prove. That energy, it's rare. And that's exactly why it pulls her back. But by the time she realizes it, you're long gone. Point 6. When you stop needing closure, you become untouchable. Most men get stuck in the loop of, I just need closure. But bro, closure isn't a conversation, it's a decision. It's you saying, I don't need an apology. I don't need an explanation. I choose me now. When you stop needing her to validate your pain or explain her choices, you become emotionally untouchable. She can't push your buttons anymore. She can't bait you into a reaction. She can't use guilt to keep you tied to her story. You've moved on, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and that is when the tables flip, because she thought you needed her to feel whole, but your silence showed her the truth. You never did. Point 7. Her curiosity becomes her punishment. You know what's wild? Curiosity is a slow burn, and once you go silent, real silent, she starts to feel it in waves. The more she wonders, the more she obsesses. Is he seeing someone? Did I even matter to him? Why hasn't he reached out? You're not ignoring her. You're just not feeding her ego anymore. And the moment you stop giving her your attention, the things she used to live off, she starts starving for it. That curiosity, it becomes a punishment she created for herself, because now you've become a mystery, and people don't move on from mysteries. They replay them in their minds over and over, trying to decode a silence that was never meant to be explained. So if you're still wondering whether you should reach out, don't. Let your silence do what your words never could. Not to punish her, but to protect you, because in the end, the man who walks away quietly is the one she remembers the loudest.